The Supreme Court has asked the DDA, that's the Delhi Development Authority, to restore the greenery in Southern Ridge, Sudbury area, where hundreds of trees were felled to construct an 11-kilometer road from Chhatarpur to Sark University. The court has ordered closure of the road. Supreme Court has ordered DDA Vice Chairperson Subhashish Panda to restore greenery in Southern Ridges, Sudbury area. There 400 trees were felled for an 11-kilometer road from Chhatarpur to Sark University. My colleague Vishal gets us more on that.
We are right now in the southern Delhi part, and this is the area which is sort of known as the lungs of Delhi. This big forest area. I would request my cameraman to pan and show this forest that we're standing right outside of. So you can see there's a lot of cut trees all around the area. So petitioners have alleged in court that illegal felling of about 1100 trees occurred around this area and one more area. So they have moved the court asking for explanation from the DDA as to how was this allowed. And there's a road right across that area. I would request my cameraman to show the road there. So the petitioners allege that due to the expansion of that road, these trees were felled illegally by the DDA. So the court has asked the DDA for an explanation as to how a felling of 1100 trees occurred in the first place, to which DDA Vice Chairman has said that he is not aware how it occurred, and he has sort of blamed officers junior to him for the felling of the trees, and also said that it could be that the contractors would have felled these trees on their own. So he has not given a proper explanation to the court as to how the felling of the trees happened, but the reality is that 1100 trees have been cut as alleged by the petitioners in the Supreme Court. So the case is up for hearing again on Thursday. So the Supreme Court has said that the DDA could be there could be repercussions for DDA when the hearing happens. So that remains to be seen what kind of repercussions would be there. But at the same time, there are some kind of positive signs because the Supreme Court has directed the DDA Vice Chairman to come up with some kind of explanation as to how this area will be restored.